I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem so you fix the right layer. First, check whether the issue appears only in one program or across the whole system. This tells you if it's software versus hardware. Then plug the keyboard into another device and try the on-screen keyboard to compare behavior. Once done, log exact symptoms, lag, repeated keys, sticky behavior, wrong characters, because those details guide the next repair steps and save time. Now you tackle the common software causes. Update or roll back the keyboard driver in Device Manager. Drivers often reintroduce stability. Next, make sure accessibility features like filter keys or sticky keys are off, and confirm your language/layout matches what you expect. If issues persist, boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to rule out third-party apps, and run a quick malware scan because malicious software can ingest or modify keystrokes. Finally, handle hardware problems and verify the repair. Unplug and inspect the cable, try another USB port, and if mechanical keys misfire, remove keycaps and clean contacts or consider switch replacement. Make sure to test the keyboard on another operating system or device to confirm behavior. If you reach the end and it still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: swap to a known good keyboard. If that fixes it, replace the original rather than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.